Hey guys, Happy New Year. I'm going to give you a detailed account going into my M1 Finance account, show you how my dividends are doing. I do this once a month to show how my dividends are increasing. And so, yeah, let's get into the video. So, yeah, I'm going to show you November 1st just to give you a little back look at what I did last month. And so this is my Excel spreadsheet, and this is kind of my favorite time of the month because I like plugging in numbers and kind of see how it is and see how it's going. So what I keep track of is the yield, the X date, quarterly or monthly dividends, the dividend amount, the shares I have, the value of those shares, and then annualized. In the value I would get of each dividend, and then if it's monthly times 12, if it's quarterly times 4. So it's just a very simple spreadsheet I use to keep track of how I'm going. So this is kind of how it was last month. CLM is $16.47 annualized, and these numbers aren't completely accurate when you annualize because you're constantly putting money into your account, so it's always going to be a percentage higher than what's stated, but it's a good gauge to show you how you're increasing month over month. So last month I was at $143.73 annualized. So you probably add at least 10% to that to get a more accurate amount based on however much you are put into your account. So I just wanted to give you a brief look at last month, so let's get into this month. So this month didn't change drastically just because December I didn't deposit that much money into the M1 Finance account. I was taking a break until the new year, so I just had some small deposits going in, and now I'm affected by the government shutdown, so I'm not putting as much money in now until we go back to work, or should I say until we're getting paid, because I'm working every day. I'm just not currently getting paid. So so let's talk about any big changes. I don't think so. CLM increased a little bit. These are ranked by the yearly annualized, so the only one I have over $10 a month is CLM, and CLM I don't really recommend as a balanced way to invest, just because it's such a high dividend, unpredictable stock. But I have a fair amount of dividends in my account, so I feel I can get away with some risk. Right now in the stock market, it doesn't really matter what you're doing. You've been losing money for the past couple months. But as it goes down, if you can continue to buy, which I need to start buying more again so I can cost average myself down. So that being said, let's see if I can kind of do these side by side. These are the ones I added this month in green. So IBM, SPHD, which is kind of a higher dividend holdings where they hold different stocks. It's more of an index type fund. VUG and DHI which is just a home builder, which is a very stable one. So $167. So you can see I only increased by about $24 annualized this month without doing much investing. So I'm pretty happy with that because I didn't add that much to my account this month. So let's kind of do a side by side if I can. So as you can see, kind of side by side look. CLM, increased, not that much. Just kind of looking side by side. Ford, I increased pretty much. I did deposit a fair amount into Ford compared to the other funds. So other than that, if you have any questions on this, please let me know. One of the things I like to do with this spreadsheet is kind of just go in here and sort by there so I can tell which the ex-dividend dates are coming. So if you guys aren't familiar with ex-dividend dates, you basically have to get buy this stock a day before the ex-dividend date. If you buy on the ex-dividend date, it's too late and you will not be part of the current dividend. So I like to sort here to kind of see which dividends are coming up and see if there's any interesting, which I might want to put in. And as of right now, maybe T-Mobile I'll put into a little bit more. CLM I'll probably add more coming into this month. But other than that, I don't have any immediate plans to buy any new stocks. So hope you like this video. I'm going to try to do more videos showing you my different investments I have out there and try to keep up with the new year doing these. So hopefully you like them. I like doing these detailed spreadsheets for me, and I hope you guys like them as well. But it is, like I said, probably my favorite video of the month, just because I enjoy the work that I put into it to, kind of put the numbers and kind of see where I'm going with it. So I will keep a link in the description down below. If you are interested in M1 Finance, you can get into it. The link will give you, I think, extra $10 added to your account currently. If you put in $100, so 10% boost to your account right off the get-go. I do highly recommend it because it's a no commission way to invest in stocks. But then again, this is my account. This is what I'm investing in. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not a financial expert. So that being said, do your own due diligence before you invest your money. So I appreciate your time. Happy investing out there. Bye.